Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, and I'm going to give you some Bitcoin price action, go over a couple of trade setups we've had over the past couple of days, and just give you a quick little update. This is Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, following up from yesterday's afternoon video. It looks like 2 days in a row I'm getting this done at 5 o'clock. As the daily just closed, and Bitcoin did have a bit of a bounce out of this triangle, hit the top side of the triangle and came back down to our zone, which I spoke about yesterday at 41.6. Briefly, just for a moment, and pop back up. Now we're sitting here on the green 55 right above the top side of this triangle. So the question is, bull trap or bear trap, and how would you confirm this as a bear trap? I would say really on a daily closing basis is the one to be looking at upon. Let's use a cleaner chart here. You know, technically, I mean, I'd want to see a daily back above this level at 43,223. If you're, you know, a little more aggressive, you would already call this probably a trap in motion, or a bit of a bear trap. And the rest of December, parties on to the upside. But so trap confirmed back above the 618, really above that 786. So any kind of a daily back above 43.8, and I would say confirmed bear trap. But as long as, you know, we're still macro bullish, still looking for, you know, upside continuation. But coming in at that 618, you know, if we start to lose that 42,000 again, the 382 fib right there at coming in right at 42,000 on the daily, then that would look good for continuation back to this trend line. And then we'll judge it from there. I just turned $140 into $1,300 over the last 2 weeks. Yes, it's possible in the land of cryptocurrency. My name is Chris Mitchell. I am the CEO of Crypt Courses. And I'm bringing you this video because I'm going to give you some really good information on how to buy, sell, and trade digital currency. Now, you've probably heard about a lot of people making a lot of money in crypto, but you don't feel safe or intelligent enough to make the investment. That's why I created Bitcoin 101, how to stack sats using technical analysis. It's the crypto trader's dream to starting your crypto journey. It's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click on the link in the description below and we will get you your free guide today. So those are the two levels to be watching. Let's map them out. Call it 43.8 to the upside and 40. I'm willing to bet that's the pivot. Yeah, 41,000. Call it 42,000 to the downside on a daily closing basis, and that probably kind of gets the next directional move. See if the 4 hour is giving us anything. 4 hour looks like it does want to just bounce off the screen 55 and head onwards and upwards. We did see Ethereum play out a pretty strong bounce back to 22,300, and the trade setup is still intact. Looking for, you know, general sideways and up from here. Don't fight that daily downtrend. Ethereum looks, you know, tight and bright at the moment, but it's okay if we come fill out this wick one more time. We just don't want to close back any dailies back in this range. Daily back below 21.2, and not going to be looking good for Ethereum. Any other interesting ones on the chart? This AXL we've been talking about for some time is making another attempt at about $1. That's looking bullish for the short term. Continuation there. ICP mounted a magnificent assault at these wicks up here. The question is, does it go for more? I think it's probably going to pull back sooner than not. Neutron blasting off to the moon. Neutron, part of the Cosmos ecosystem, some kind of highly esteemed piece of technology. And then the big one, news on today, Bonk hit, I don't know, it was up 100% at some point today. After being listed on Coinbase, this is the Solana meme token. I don't know exactly. And checking in on Solana, I'm looking for this one to gradually continue onwards and upwards as long as we're above 68 bucks. The kind of next proverbial target is going to be, let's see, probably coming in at about 87 bucks. If this wants to go for more, as long as we're above the last daily low, I'd look for continuation off of this. Anything else interesting I wanted to bring up for a trade setup? Uni still hanging in tight here with the trade setup, slowly but surely working its way onwards and upwards. CFX trade still intact, and looking for that one to just glide. I'm actually out of the trade because I took profits on it, but I'm looking to get back in if we come back down to our zone. All right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you have a blessed and highly favored rest of your day, and I will be back tomorrow. Take care.